Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will show you how to find and delete all viruses on iPhone. And here's how it is done. Step 1. Clear Safari data. Go to Settings, Safari. Tap Clear History and Website Data. Step 2. Delete suspicious apps. Long press any unknown app. Tap Remove App, Delete App. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. Power off, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Step 4. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Install any updates. Step 5. Reset as last resort. Backup first. Go to Settings, General. Transfer or reset iPhone. Erase all content and settings. And that is everything you need to know about how to find and delete all viruses on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.